Hi, I'm Cynthia, your guide through the human impact of artificial intelligence. Art, music, language, even how we define creativity and truth. AI is changing them all. But this isn't just about technology. It's about who we are becoming as humans. Today, let's explore how AI is quietly shaping our culture, our values, and maybe even our identity. Culture evolves through the stories we tell, the art we make, and the values we share. Now, AI is becoming a co-creator in that process. AI-generated art fills galleries. AI-curated feeds decide what trends go viral. Even the music on your playlist might have been composed by an algorithm that knows your mood. AI is no longer just reflecting culture. It's helping write it. But this comes with new questions. When AI recommends what we watch, listen to, or read, who's really shaping our worldview? The more AI personalizes content, the more our perspectives can narrow, creating echo chambers where we only see what we already agree with. At the same time, AI gives rise to new forms of expression. Digital art, AI poetry, virtual influencers, and synthetic media that challenge what's authentic. We're living in an age where technology not only imitates culture, it defines it. Our values are shifting too. We now prize speed, convenience, and personalization, sometimes over patience, privacy, or originality. AI mirrors our priorities, amplifying what we value most as a society. So maybe the real question isn't just how AI is changing culture, but what parts of humanity we choose to hold on to as it evolves. Culture has always evolved with new tools, from the printing press to the internet. AI is just the next chapter. But this time, the storyteller isn't human. It's us and our algorithms, writing together. What values do you think we should protect in the age of AI? Let's talk about it in the comments below. If this made you reflect, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more thoughtful conversations about AI and humanity, and share it with someone who'd enjoy this discussion.